In chess, queens are 9 points, rooks are 5, knights and bishops are 3, and pawns are 1. To make 71 points, one way to do it would be to have 3 queens, 6 rooks, 3 knights, a bishop, and 2 pawns. Earlier today, I played a game where I was ahead by that much material and didn't win the game. Alright, so this was a 3-minute game. I was white. We had a Sicilian defense. I played bishop b5 check. This is my favorite line. Traded off d4. Bishop g5. I'm just going to go quickly. I played e5. I was just trying to gain some space, take advantage of this open file, or half open file at the moment. Knight h5 wasn't the greatest move. I actually messed this up a little bit. g4 was okay, but at this point, I should have played queen to b4. Instead, I went queen e3. And then here was a little blunder on my part. I should have just taken this, and I was fine. I was thinking in my head that sacrificing the rook here, and after he takes, I take the bishop. I'm getting 2 pieces for the rook, which is true, but I just lost a piece, and so I'm just losing an exchange by doing this. But anyway, that's what happened. And then did some stuff here. I'm really just not in a good position. You can see I'm down like 2.65. And then I want to get to this moment right here. So here. Okay, not a good move, but I thought it was pretty clever because I was thinking, he can't take it with the queen because my knight, and if he takes it with the pawn, then I can take his knight. And I thought I was going to get more counterplay than I actually had, although he misplayed it. So at this point, after I take, if he plays like queen c4, I'm just completely losing. The queen kind of defends everything, and he's attacking both of these. But he made a terrible blunder, rook to e8, which allows this really nice fork, because the rook is pinned, so it can't take my knight. And the only thing he can do is move his king to the corner. And after I capture his rook, look down here at this evaluation bar, 70.8. Have you ever seen a number that big? I haven't. I've never seen that before. Like, I didn't realize it went that high. I mean, 70.8 is, we're talking like over 7 queens. And you can see why, right? I have a checkmate threat, checkmate threat, checkmate threat, another checkmate threat, checkmate threat, check. I have like 6 different checkmate threats, and he can't stop it, right? It's mate in a couple moves, which is, I still don't know why it's saying 70. But the point is, way, way ahead, and look what happened. He puts me in check, which is fine. King c2 is fine. He brings the rook down, and I was a little bit of time pressure, 20 seconds, but this is plenty of time, right? I had one move for checkmate, or checkmate, or checkmate, or checkmate, or checkmate, right? I had like 6 different checkmates. All I had to do was bring the bishop back, and he has nothing. He can't do anything at that point. He can like just sacrifice his rook and then try to sacrifice his queen, but he's getting mated. But instead, I played king b3. I actually saw that he could check me, and I didn't realize that after that, queen a4 was going to be mate. So that's what happened. I went there, and there's nowhere else I can go. Even if I go to a3, it's the same result. Queen a4 is mate. So yeah, that's how you throw away a 71-point lead in a chess game. Well, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you this game because it made me really sad earlier. And let me know in the comments, what's the highest advantage that you've ever seen? I'm curious if anyone's ever seen a number higher than 70 before. If you have, let me know. But thanks for watching. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.